Excellency, Namaskar and good morning. We had a brief interaction earlier this month at ADMM Plus. I am very happy to meet you here and welcome you to India for this third India-Indonesia Defense Ministers Dialogue. India and Indonesia share civilizational ties which go back thousands of years. India and Indonesia are maritime neighbors, sharing a historical, cultural, civilizational, and historical linkages. Values of pluralism, inclusiveness, and the rule of law are common to both our countries, and these shared values have given direction to our contemporary relations. As two leading democracies in Asia, we share many commonalities that help lay the foundation of sustained defense, trade, cultural, and diplomatic cooperation. Excellency, in the recent times, the comprehensive strategic partnership between our countries is characterized by growing cooperation in bilateral and multilateral arena, including frequent high-level interactions. Both India and Indonesia adopted shared vision on maritime cooperation in the Indo-Pacific between India and Indonesia. During visit of our Prime Minister to Indonesia in May 2018, as well as the signing of the enhanced agreement on defense cooperation. By frequent meetings with His Excellency Prabowo Subianto as Defense Minister, further strengthened both our countries' commitment to augment defense cooperation. Excellency, state visit of President Prabowo Subianto to India from 23 to 26 January 2025, during which he was also chief guest of our Republic Day parade, has infused fresh impetus to India-Indonesia relations with a renewed focus in defense and security. I must add the colorful and spirited 352-member band and marching contingent display from Indonesian Military Academy captivated us all with their splendid march past. Through the decades, our defense ties have flourished, built on the foundation of the mutual commitment to regional security. Today's dialogue serves as a testament to the growing strength of our defense cooperation, which is an important pillar of our cooperation. Excellency, during the deliberations today, I look forward to have free and frank exchange of views to further deepen and expand our bilateral defense cooperation. Thank you very much, Excellency.
Excellencies, Raksha Mantri Sri Rajnath Singh, Minister of Defense of India, distinguished delegates from India, colleagues from Minister of Defense of India, General Anil, my friends, and also ladies and gentlemen. First of all, allow me to begin by expressing my sincere appreciation for the warm hospitality extended to me and my delegates